I am super duper uber excited dahil napakarami na namang shows na dapat abangan sa ABS-CBN. Kasama na dyan ang Kapitan Boom at ang first ever remake ng hit Korean novela na My Girl. Lahat ng yan, here's TV Now.
2 new upcoming shows sure na magpapahay sa inyo. Up now on TV Now. Ang pinakabagong superhero na dadalhin tayo to different heights with his exciting adventures and misadventures. Si Kapitan Boom, starring J.R. Shabok and his alter ego John Avila. And their love interest, Maha Salvador, and showbiz newbie Mariana Del Rio.
Ako po dito si Lance, bali ako po yung normal na tao ni Kapitan Boom. Parang matalino, probinsyano.
Kapitan Boom is in the stages now where he's learning to be a superhero. He's discovering and testing his newfound ability to have superpowers.
As a story, mas gusto ko si Kapitan Boom. Hindi lang siya fantasy yung ganun. Kumbaga, siya yung superhero na nakakatawa. Hindi lang yung may in love ka ng superhero, gwapo, ganyan. Hindi lang siya yung, gwapo, may ganun, may bawi. Kasi parang may sablay.
I'm so happy with this opportunity. Ang galing si Maha, si JR, at John, ang galing siya.